Hello everyone, welcome to UU channel. With the completion of supercharging stations across the country, UUGreenPower has also joined with ChargingPower enterprise customers to participate in the construction of supercharging city. Today, let's visit an industrial park charging station in Chengdu district, Chengdu. Let's find out what is unique about the charging reactor built by UUGreenPower new generation of Independent Air Duct IP65 high protection charging module. Welcome to Chengdu, the land of abundance. Now I'm on the station. The station behind me is made up of 4 charging systems, each with a power capacity of 480 kW. Each system is equipped with 4 air-cooled terminals, a total of 16 air-cooled double guns. Output terminal composition, flexible distribution of power. It can meet the fast charging requirement of 32 EVs simultaneously. The main power cabinet adopts UUGreenPower 30 kW IP65 high protection charging power module. 16 units are built in for a single host system. Independent duct charging module components. Electrical components are isolated from the cooling air to completely isolate the external environment. IP65 high protection level can adapt to dust, salt fog, condensation, and other harsh environments. The independent air duct charging module uses a high-speed silent fan. Now, the car next to me is charging it up. The noise of the system operation is very low, almost no impact on our daily life. The module's power conversion efficiency is high, which can reduce heat loss and increase operating revenue. Unique structural technology and processing process to ensure product consistency. The quality control has reached the level of vehicle regulation, ensure the stable and reliable production quality, and adopted a highly integrated modular design. ChargingPower enterprises can reduce the R&D, design and production cycle. High protective mute design. No additional dust-proof cotton and cooling fan for the system. Reduce the equipment investment cost. IP65 high protection can achieve maintenance free of the charging system. The server's life is more than 10 years. Greatly reduce the operation and maintenance costs. UUGreenPower Independent Air Duct Charging Module is used for the construction of supercharging station. Comprehensive full life cycle cost is optimal. It is the best choice for high-quality charging station construction. Empower power enterprises to help operation. Independent Air Duct Charging Module has been landed across the country. UUGreenPower will continue to promote the high-quality development of charging infrastructure.